good if you want to fill in like thick areas of your brow and kind of go fast, right? I like that you get that nice thick pencil part to it. A lot of times these pencils are so thin. This one's really good for those thicker lines. You can really just like draw it in and go. And then of course you have your brush part where you can blend it all together. Now I'm going to give you a really quick tutorial on how to do your brows. So this is what you want to do. You're going to use your nose as a guide and you're going to put a dot right there. That from here up is where your brow should start. Okay, so dot right there. Now you can see on this brow, look how far mine is from where it should start. So I have to draw my brow in farther on that side, okay? So that's where you want your brow to start. Now your arch, take your nose and go like that. That's where your arch should hit. So on this eyebrow, my arch should be like right about there. I'm still working on getting it to the right spot, but drawing it in helps a lot. And then this one, it lines up perfectly. Isn't that funny how brows, just one brow is better than the other on different things? And then for the end of it, also using your nose, use your nose like that. Use your pencil, put a little dot. That's where the end of it should end. So you can do the same thing on the other side, and that's where it ends. So it's super easy to kind of figure out the alignment using a brow pencil. So that's one thing I love about it. And this one's just great for filling in your eyebrows.